the question word kitna in Hindi and its different meanings, like how much, how many, how old, at what time. The first meaning, what time. आप कितने बजे सुबह उठते हैं? At what time do you wake up in the morning? The second meaning, आप कितने साल के हैं? How old are you? If I'm asking a man. If I'm asking the same question to a woman, I would be saying, आप कितने साल की हैं? So the की is referring to the feminine noun. The third meaning is, सेब कितने का है? How much is the apple? Seb being masculine, I'm using kitne ka hai. If I'm asking the price of a feminine noun, I'd be saying ki hai, like kitab kitne ki hai? What price is the book? The fourth meaning, Ram ki kitni behne hai? How many sisters does Ram have? It is kitni behne because sisters is feminine. If I'm asking how many brothers does Ram have, it would be Ram ke kitne bhai hain. So kitne bhai referring to many brothers.